Hello and welcome to this Little Fox French key skill video on le passé-composé irregular verbs, so the past tense irregular verbs. There's a cool mnemonic which we can use to learn our irregular past tense verbs, and this is Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp. Now, each of these letters represents a different verb which only uses être in the past tense. So first of all, we need our être conjugation. Now, être means to be. We have je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, il ou elle sont. So this is our key verb for irregular passé-composé verbs. We need to use this in order to form le passé-composé for irregular verbs, and Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp is the mnemonic we're going to use in order to learn these. So, we'll just start with Dr. Mrs. Van. We have devenir, revenir, monter, rester, sortir, venir, aller, naître. Meaning to become, to come back, to climb, to stay, to go out, to come, to go, to be born. Then we have the next few. Der Tramp. This stands for descendre, entrer, rentrer, tomber, retourner, arriver, mourir, partir, and passer. These mean to descend, to enter, to re-enter, to fall, to return, to arrive, to die, to leave, and to pass. So these are our Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp verbs which use the irregular passé-composé. So they use être in the passé-composé. So to form them, here, let's go down here. Let's say devenir. We have devenu. So you have devenu. So it conjugates, so to speak, very similarly. The past participle of devenu, the past participle of devenu is devenu because it's an IR verb. The past participle of revenir is revenu because it's an IR verb again. Monter becomes monter because it's an ER verb. Rester becomes rester because it's an ER verb. Sortir the past participle of sortir is sorti because it's an IR verb.